All right, it is another gorgeous day in the beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. Dean here with eXp Realty. Today I would like to give you guys an extended tour of this beautiful, almost new construction home built in 2022. And this is located in Southwest Cape Coral. It does have golf access. Just give you a quick breakdown of the outside here. You hear the birds chirping, you hear the kids playing. A little bit of the neighborhood. Got a park, baseball field over there. You also have a vacant lot next door. The vacant lot does have golf access, of course, and a seawall in place. So a couple things to point out. Again, you got the 3-car garage. It is slightly oversized. You'll notice the pavers in the driveway. Of course, the beautiful landscape that they've done to this home. So let's go in and check out this beautiful home. Little sitting area up front. I love that. I like that they don't have mulch. This just looks a lot cleaner, easier to maintain. It's got these large hurricane impact doors. This house comes fully furnished. It is 2,276 square feet. And we do have a guest here today. I'm not the only one here. You have somebody shooting video and pictures professionally of this photo of this house. It's a beautiful living room, nice and open, 10-foot ceilings here. And you got these sliders with no break here in the corner. It really opens it up. So nice and wide. So when you're hosting those parties, open these doors up, get that breeze coming in, nice flow in and outside of the house. You hear that water splashing. You get a lot of natural light. And of course, look at this kitchen. Granite countertops. Huge sitting area here. Then I like this addition over here with the microwave. Stainless steel appliances. Beautiful backsplash. You got this vent. A lot of little details in this home. While we're here, let's just check out this laundry room. An oversized laundry room. Got cabinet space. And you got this bonus right here. Large pantry. And again, this is a 3-car garage, so let's take a quick peek inside. They got a huge vehicle in here, as you can see, perfectly fits, and you've got rooms to spare in the front and the back. And that thing on the wall up there is actually an AC unit that they put in and installed in the garage. So for those who like to work out in the garage or spend time working on the vehicle in the garage, you won't have to break a sweat. And check out this incredible bathroom. The floors, the walls, they got floor to ceiling tile, and it just looks incredible. That door leads out to the pool. Again, did I mention this house comes fully furnished? This is one of the bedrooms. Got the second guest room. Definitely good size. That's a king size bed, just for perspective. And generous size closets. Then you got these shutters they put on all the windows. Love that. All right. Let's go into the master bedroom right now. There is a den here that's being used as an office space. Good size, does not have a closet. Master bedroom. Got another king size bed. As you can see, it's a huge room. Plenty of space. TVs, everything you see is included. And then look at this view. We'll get to the outside in a minute. Let's just finish the tour of the inside first. Good closet space. One on each side. Again, they did that tile from floor to ceiling. I love that. You got a makeup area over here. Nice size private room over here with some actual light. And you got some additional storage here. Okay, now let's head out to the part where you're gonna spend most of your time on here in Florida. No, not the office. The lanai and the pool area. All right. As you can see, this is a generous sized lanai. You got plenty of room to entertain friends and family and neighbors, if that's what you want. Got a sitting area over here with a TV and a fireplace. Gonna put a lot of detail. Again, all this stuff is included with the house. This house was built in 2022, so it's 3 bedrooms with a den, 2 full bathrooms, 2,276 square feet. Got a nice sitting over here, so if you have kids or just want to sit around and splash your feet in the pool without having to take a dip, that's a place to do it. Great size jacuzzi. And then this area was actually added in after the fact. So they expanded the lanai, put in an outdoor grill station, outdoor entertainment section over here. So you got all this extra space with the home. You got a lot of little details that go a long way. Refrigerator, storage, sink. Got a little bar area over here. Another sitting area. It's a very generous size. You can see the size of this lanai. It's absolutely huge. All right. Now they did something special out here as well. Of course, you got a little details here with the walkway. This is the side of the house. Again, it's all fenced in. There's your pool heater, pool pump. Okay. Then it's all fenced in. This is a 94-foot wide canal. Again, it's Gulf access. The homeowner tells me it takes roughly between 30 to 40 minutes from here to the open water. So you can fish right here from your backyard or swim if you want. But what I really like what they did here, and that I haven't seen in any other home that I've been to so far here in Cape, is this little sitting area. This is really unique. So this is like a fireplace. Start a fire here if you want. Get some mushrooms and some sticks. Don't forget the Hershey's chocolate. And you got s'mores right in the backyard. And you look at the landscaping. And of course, with the lanai here, you don't have the break in the middle. So you got the nice open view of the water in your own backyard. And again, you got the safety feature here of the fence if you have kids or dogs. Then you can easily put in a boat dock here. store your boat right in your backyard without paying those expensive storage fees. Again, the detail really goes a long way in this house. The homeowner took a lot of detail in mind. The house is meticulous, really well taken care of. All right. That's it for this house today. If you have any questions or interest in this particular home, give me a call. Thank you for watching. You have an excellent day.